By using this automatic click system, you can make money online wherever you are in the world. But you need to set it up properly first, and for that make sure to follow each and every step from this video. And since I'll show you multiple platforms, don't try to skip the video because you might get lost and confused. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden in Mia's World with notifications on, so you're going to get notified whenever we upload a brand new strategy on how to make money online, and you can be one of the first to use it and therefore make the most money. And if you love this type of content, then give this video a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion. With all of that said, let's now start with this tutorial so I can show you everything. And as I said before, I'm going to give you multiple platforms, so just make sure to follow because we are going to combine all of them in order to make this strategy works. And let's proceed with the first one, which is this one here called ODC. This is over at odc.com. As you can see, this platform is similar to YouTube, and I guess you haven't heard about this before because this is a relatively new one. You're going to see that people come here to post different videos related to any topic. As you can see, the categories in the left hand side. All you need to do for this step is to just create an account for absolutely free here on ODC, and for that you need to click on the sign up button. After that, in the next page, you're going to just put your email address, a password, and then click on the sign up button. In the next page, you're going to see how it's going to look like. This is going to be your account, and the thing is that you're going to leave it like this for now because we are coming back to it later on. Let's proceed to the other platform for today, which is going to pay us. Actually, it is called Paidera. This is over at paidera.com. As you can see, turn your time into money. You're coming here in order to make money online, and you're going to see that they offer unlimited tasks. You can invite friends and get paid, and also they offer instant payments. So once you reach the minimum payout threshold, you're going to request your payment, and they are 24/7 available. You're going to see what they offer. They have some sign up tasks, so you can sign up or subscribe to offers, websites. You have here completing surveys, you have uploading videos, and also inviting friends so you can make money, passive income. You can write about them, write articles and post about us and get paid for it, as it says here. And also you have all of your earnings available in one place. Something else I want to mention is that they have like almost 1 million of members. They have more than 7.8 million of tasks completed, and also, as you can see over here, a lot of payments sent. In order to also see the payment proofs, you can go up here, proofs and reviews, and you're going to see people that are getting paid again and again with this platform, and this shows that this platform is actually legit and is going to pay you. So people are making good money with it, and you can also do the same thing, but I'm going to show you today how you can set up an automatic click system. So just stay tuned for that, because first of all you need to create an account here on Paidera. In order to do so, you can click here, I want to create an account, or create an account up here. In the next page, you're going to put your first name, last name, a username, email address, password, confirm the password, and then click on sign up and create my account. And this is how it's going to look like, because this is going to be your dashboard. You're going to see your total earning, and they also give you a 50-cent bonus just for signing up, which is a nice addition from them. You're going to see all of the tasks in the left hand side that you can complete. There are a lot of them, just like we saw before on their website homepage. And then you're going to see that they also offer a referral program, and you can get paid $3 per 1,000 clicks. So it is not just to sign up, it is just clicks. People don't need to sign up or to buy anything, they just need to click on your referral link and you can get paid. And they also offer a 10-cent addition per valid referral when people start using this website and make money with it. So today we are going to use Paidera in order to get paid in passive income by promoting it, by getting our referral link, which is located here, and then you're going to click on the copy button here and you're going to share it with people. And the thing is that of course you can do all of these tasks here in order to maximize the results, but I wanted you to make money, passive income, and that's why I'm showing you this strategy today. And that's why I told you to sign up, because all of the tasks and also the referral program is located on your dashboard. Once you get your referral link, it's time for me to show you the process, what you're going to do right now, and it is to go over at YouTube, and what you're going to do on YouTube is to search for make money online videos. And once you do so, you just need to go over to filters and then click on Creative Commons. Like this is going to give you a lot of videos that you can repost without having any copyright issues with it. And also you can repost them for absolutely free. So all you need to do first is to just open one of them, and then you're just going to get the link address of one of these videos. After that, you're going over to Google and you're going to search for similar websites to this one, YouTube to MP4. You just need to search for YouTube to MP4. It's going to give you a lot of platforms similar to this one. Then you need to click on, you need to paste the link that you got here on this box, click on MP4, and then you're going to click on convert. Like this, you can download this video, this YouTube video for absolutely free on your computer. So the next step for this is to just click on the download button, and it's going to be immediately downloaded on your computer. So once you get this video on your computer, all you need to do is to go over to your account on Odyssey. What you need to do is to click here on your icon, then you're going to have the upload button, and then you just need to click here on upload something new. And once you do so, it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to select your video that you want to upload here on Odyssey. And it's going to be the video that we downloaded before from YouTube, the one from Creative Commons. So once you upload that file on here, you're going to put it a title and also description. And here on the description, you're going to say something like this is a video on how to make money online, and you're going to leave your referral link on it. So you're going to see people that can make money very easily with this website, and you're going to leave your referral link that you got before from Paidera. Like this, you're going to target a lot of people that are interested in seeing a video on how to make money online, and they are going to see also your link in the description here, and then you're going to just post it, and you're going to target a lot of people, because if you go over to similar web, you're going to see that odyssey.com is being visited by more than 27 million of people every single month, and sometimes even more, as you can see right here. So it is a very popular website, even if it is new. So you can target millions of people on this website, and also they are going to be your potential clickers, because they are going to see your video, click on your link, and you can make money by just promoting Paidera. In this way, you can create an automatic click system, because what you can do is that you can go over to YouTube and get some other videos on here. You can download them for absolutely free, and you can post them on Odyssey, so you can have more possibilities to attract more people and also to get more clicks on your link. With that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, a comment down below, and also subscribe to our channel, Lady Nemia's World. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.